Hi everyone, I am Priyesh VP, an assistant professor in the area of finance and accounting at IIM Trichy. I basically teach courses on accounting, financial statement analysis, and international finance.
Dr. James Dominic from the area of finance and accounting, IIM Trichy. I come with a corporate experience of 8 years and academic experience of 5 years. My area of expertise include banking, financial derivatives, fixed income securities, and securities trading.
The 1-year postgraduate certificate program in banking and finance of IIM Trichy provides a comprehensive understanding of various concepts on finance and financial markets. The certificate program covers modules on financial statement analysis, corporate finance, risk management, credit risk analytics, Fintech, among many others. We hope that this program would provide necessary skill sets to our prospective participants to navigate in the ever-changing and ever-evolving BFSI and related sectors.
This rigorous certificate program involves online live lectures by the experienced faculty cohort of IIM Trichy and also a mandatory 3 days campus module at our campus. This program will provide the participants an opportunity to network with other professionals in the industry, and upon the successful completion of the program, will be awarded with the executive alumni status of IIM Trichy.
End of this program, we are confident that our participants will be able to understand the functioning of banks and various financial service institutions and get skills to analyze a lot of real-world business cases, along with getting insights on various new age products and innovations developed by various banks and financial institutions.
While the program is open to all graduates who are interested in enhancing their knowledge about banking and financial service industry, this program is best suited for someone who is working in banks or working in any industry or any firm dealing with financial services. They are working in IT, software consulting, who are dealing with BFSI domain, and it suits even a graduate who is aspiring to work in banks or other financial service industry.
Talking about the career prospects after this program, it will help participants to perform well in various jobs roles such as financial analyst, business analyst, bank officers, and consultancy in the banking and financial service industry domains.
IIM Trichy was established in 2011. Is keen in providing e-learning programs to aspiring managers so that they can access accessible quality management education at their convenience. Our endeavor to provide quality education, we have partnered with Jaro Education for coordinating and managing this program. So Jaro Education will take care of marketing, onboarding, admission processes, and all other technical supports for the conduction of this program.
As program directors, we encourage all the participants to apply for this program. We look forward to have a wonderful interaction with all of you in the future.